Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I know it's been a minute since I posted. Let me check when I said drop the video. Checking my YouTube studio thing. 42 days ago, a month and some days, right? Yeah. So the market has been really good. I had a very good week. This is when the third week, right? Oh Jesus, no. What the heck? Man. Let me just refresh the page then, I guess. Okay, fine, everything's back. So I'm going to just start from where I stopped. I know it looks messy. It's just because I stopped cleaning my history. I cannot use, you have to look to the left to be right. Is the thing traders say. So you always have to look to the left to be right. Let me move my camera maybe here. Yeah, here's cool. All right. Yeah, so you have to look to the left to be right. I think the last time I made a video was around here where we're trying to get into, like, right now I'm trading basically support, and I look here because it's my screen. My camera is here. Maybe one day I'll put the camera, maybe. No, let me not be distracted. I'll do that next time. So I trade support and resistance. Let me show you guys what I trade. My prayer plan here. Yeah. Yeah. So I trade break of structure, retest of structure, um, support and resistance, and really, like, if I see a confirmation for, if I see an order block for me, that's like a 100% confirmation. I know this isn't like 100%, but for me, break of structure, support and resistance, retest of structure, I usually enter a trade. I want to also show you. I got this from one guy on YouTube. I've totally forgotten his name. Yeah, but this is the goal I'm looking for. This is his plan, but I'm gonna refine my, like, this is my refined plan. Like, in December was a very good month for me because, let me show my face is showing. Yeah, December was a very good month for me because I documented my trades. If I was scalping, if I was day trading, I realized that I prefer to day trade. I stopped documenting from December 10th. I have to be more disciplined with that. Yeah, so I made up to 500 bucks. Yeah, 3 weeks ago. It was a very tough week mentally. Started from like 20 bucks. It was very hard. Like, I think that's what kind of, I entered resting mode. Like, it took a lot for me to make that money because if you remember my video, right, the first time I made like $400. It was in, like, in 30 minutes. It wasn't easy scalping. Like, it was my first or second trade, so I would say I was very lucky. Like, I know, like, I believe God wanted to show me that this is the path He wants me to use. So since then I'm making like 100 bucks, 50, 200. But 3 weeks ago, it was let me show you the market. Yeah, this is my journal. I'm gonna be more detailed. It's so hard to be detailed, and this guy's own is really good because he said at $20. From 20 bucks he took it to 50K. Like, it is possible. Hope you can see my arrow, right? The best I've done is around here, 400, 500, level 13. Man, out of level 30, I've only reached level 13, which is good, is fine. But now I'm starting back at level. I got two trades last week in and out. Then I lost it. I was at $77. Now I'm at 65. And make sure that I'm correct. Yeah, I'm at 65.91 bucks. I will be. Hold on, trying to get that. Not Shazam. Yeah. So this week we're getting back into being intentional. So as I said, right, when I made that money 3 weeks ago, it took so much mental energy from me. Like Monday was like 200 to 50, like 220 to 50, not 20, yeah, 20 to $50. I went on Tuesday 50 to 70, 70 to 150. I lost $50 that night. My roommate saw me crying. It was all emotions. Wednesday I entered the market again. Then Thursday was the one I just let me show you the one that just made me so happy. Yeah, this one right here. I was just using like a sword and cutting the market. I was doing simple support and resistance, guys. It works. It literally is God that showed me how to trade like this. Like I had mentors that guided me, and I watched YouTube videos. Then I realized something. People trade in various ways, very different. That's why I love it. I love things that I can be my own boss at. That is at least my aim primarily, by the grace of God, ending of this year, to be able to be my own boss, not need my current 9 to 5, or even if I still do it, but not like, it should not be my only source of income personally. And then again, I said I do like talking to people, but mostly I talk to people because of, I have to be a nice person. Okay, that's another way. I'm a nice person, but most I don't like to talk. I talk because I have to talk, right? Most times I prefer not to talk. I'm more introverted than most people think. Honestly, I don't think I'm just, as my mom told me, I'm a nice person. Like, I don't want to ignore you. Like, I feel it's rude to ignore when someone is talking to you. If not, I'll just ignore people, man. Honestly, I'm not anything. I just don't want to talk to anybody. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but that is by the way. So yeah, can you say support and resistance? This was before I used to do the weekly. I stopped doing that because that didn't work for me. The forward time frame here. This was a support and resistance. I just noticed it on Monday, and it bought, it sold. So this was an area of interest. Even the previous week, same thing. It didn't pass that line. So what I did, I went to the 1 hour time frame. Let's go back. Yeah, very beautiful. Like this trade was, guys. I no stop loss. Like all my stop loss were around here. So I first noticed it first, right? On Sunday, prop up. It respected this line. This was the previous support. Then resistance. Yeah. Then I just sold. Then I bought. Then I sold. Then I bought. Then I sold. Then I bought. So this was, I made over $244 here. And it kept going up, right? I'm not so comfortable holding trades, and I'm still learning that, and I'm also learning trailing stop loss. So that's what I'm gonna try this week. So then after this took so much from me, next week I did my analysis, still clean, bros. I must touch the screen, like look at it. Support, resistance. Then what I said, break of structure, it retested the area of support. Yeah, so it retested the area of support, made it resistance. So in case you don't know, when the market breaks a support, it makes that resistance, and then when it breaks a resistance, it turns out to support. So this was before a support, right? When it broke the support, became resistance, and what, it fell. This was like, I cannot believe, like I was so tired. Like I think I overstretched myself, to be honest with you. So this was a beautiful one, and I wanted to show something again before I forget. And why I'm so happy with this trading is that everything worked out perfectly, right? Can you see? I already anticipated the market to go bullish, and this happened. I made money here, right? So I predicted the market to move bullish, and 2 weeks later, after my prediction, it worked flawlessly. Like Euro 80 is thank God for this. I don't know why it works so well for me, but it works so well. Then we entered 2 weeks ago, same thing, right? Just support and resistance, guys. I didn't trade, I wasn't serious. Then last week, I did my analysis. I'm also learning trend lines is something God kind of showed me here. I'm not gonna lie, I was just looking at the market and it was making sense for some reason. I'm sure what I mean. This is the 1 hour time frame, and then who also helped me finish this up was God also comes in people. He shows you things. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm sure I saved it. I'm very sure I saved it. Huh? You guys should watch Koinonia, guys. This guy's on in 2 hours, almost 300k views. Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna sidetrack a bit, just a little bit. Let me see something. I don't think he has had that before. Yeah. This is his usual views, right? 300, 400k. He got 300k views in 2 hours. He's a blessed man of God. Back to making money. Yeah, watch later, watch later. I'm sure I saved it. I didn't save it. Yo, I thought I saved it. Where is it? I didn't save it. I'll find it for it now. I'll find what it's supposed to be. I'm trying to save it now. He does this strategy, is pretty cool. Yep. It's my guy.
I've been day trading for
legit. God just showed me this guy because like the trading. Yeah, watch later. Why is it not? Oh, watch later. Watch. Yeah, watch later. I'm not sure why though, but yeah, that's my guy. So he was.
I've been day trading for over.
Yeah, he's doing the same strategy. So support and resistance, like it's clean. So I'm gonna explain the break of structure, right? Anytime the market, like now, the market is clearly bearish, is going down. Anytime the market better, like a higher time frame, an hour time frame, 4 hours is very, very good. I'm not so comfortable with the 15 minutes time frame, but also I made some good money in 15 minutes time frame, and I'm not so convinced. Yeah. Yeah. When you have, in my opinion, when you have to stretch the market to see your buyers, I think it's not there. What do I know, right? Yeah, so this is the place here. Market was, first of all, it consolidated, which was beautiful. Once there is consolidation, I'm usually happy because, and you can trade in between this. Let me show you something I learned. They say you can make market in consolidation. That is a lie. I did make money on it. If you want to trade consolidation, you mostly want to trade support and resistance. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to see properly. Yeah, clearly. So here, can you see an area of support? So this week I'm going to show you how good this strategy works. I'm trying to aim for $500 this week. I've gotten a bit confident in my trading abilities, and yeah, let me take out this magnet here. So can you see this? So first the market went up, it respected it. What do? You put your stop loss here, you do a buy. It's gonna dance around. This is why I don't put trailing stop loss, because look at this. It came here, it went almost take you out, then boom boom. Like I'm just learning this as I was teaching you guys. I'm gonna keep that in there so that I can always use that as a reference. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller so you can always trade consolidation. Just gotta be a bit smart with it. Go back to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so beautiful. So we saw consolidation, right? Then the market was going to the downside, so it had a trend. Once the market breaks a trend, that means it's going to the other side. Forget about forgotten that candle pattern thing. That doesn't really work, at least for me. So see, can you see my trend? It broke the trend, clear. That was on an hour time frame. What did I do there? So fine, my first bias, break of structure. It broke structure. Then I went to the 15 minutes time frame. You're gonna see something, right? Boom, we have like an order block, kinda. You go to the 5 minute. This is where I now go a bit lower, because now there's enough biases to do what I want to do. So perfect, this is the place. Can you see this? What do you see, guys, here? Can you see it? An order block. So what, we had a trend line. The market was going bearish, right, on an hour time frame. Then what happened? It broke structure. Beautiful. Hold on, let me just, I want to make sure you guys are seeing what I'm saying, because this is, I really pray that God will give me this opportunity again this week, brother. I'm also going to show you the weekly analysis. I'm just going to teach you support and resistance. So yeah, can you see on the hour time frame, it was going down, trend line, it broke. What you do is you put your stop loss right here. I've learned from Q Banks and Swag. You see, most times it's not like you're wrong in your trade, you're just stingy with the stop loss, my guy. Don't be stingy with your stop losses. Why is it not working? I think it's working, but I'm one that's not just doing it right. Oh, yeah, I'm doing it right? Short. It's not showing. Let me refresh. The trading view is a bit weird today. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh Jesus, what is this? Yeah, so the market was just being weird. Sorry. Yep. So most times you are not wrong. Most times you are just greedy. So I don't go all the way. Usually my TP is going to be around here because I'm trying to respect the previous support and resistance. Then I just put this around here and I put a healthy amount. I'm risking 0.26 to 0.48. Can you see I'm risking 43 to go for 80.2. So you should, some people would do this. They want to make 80.2, right? They'll put a tiny stop loss. I don't know what this is, 0.06%. And then, oh my God, it took me out. It didn't take, you were not wrong. You were just greedy. You were just greedy. Yes. Can you see this perfectly? So an hour, boom, it respected, it came down. I was analyzing the market last week. So clean, so clean. So I went here, can you see another area, and boom, this is not entering. I'm not entering my analysis for this week because can you see last week, 2 weeks ago, and last week, a clean area of resistance. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 consolidation, 4 nigga 5. Like, come on. So now I'm going for a sell. I want to see how the market will move. Previously, when I was immature in the market, what I would do is I'll quickly enter a buy here, to what if the market goes the other way, right? Because it's not 100% strategy. So I'm going to wait. If this market comes to this area of resistance, I'm going to go for a sell. And I will not be greedy. I'm going to have sense this time because that was how I lost over 250, I think 2 weeks ago, because I was like, oh, it worked so much 3 weeks ago, it's gonna work the next week. Nah. So I am I'm at $65, so I'm gonna be risking roughly 30% to make 18 to 20 bucks. I'm just gonna scale it up. So this week I'm literally going for $600, $500. It might work and make right now, by the grace of God, $600 per week, per 5 working days. So I'm trying to go for $500 to $600 this week. Very intentional. I'm gonna keep my eye on the market like a hawk. So can you see? I hit the area of support, right? I keep on resistance. So now, if let me go to the 4-hour time from you guys. I don't know. This is so fun. It's crazy. Like trading just works because it fits my personality. Like I don't have to fake it with anybody. I don't have to. All of you guys, I know that you don't like your boss, you don't like some people, but you have to behave like you like them to get what you want. You know what I mean? I think it's called a kiss ass or something. Such a beautiful trading. So now 2 things, right? If the market successfully comes here, another, like this is the 4-hour time frame. Let me even check on a daily, bro. It doesn't want to pass this angle. Like, hope you're seeing what I'm seeing. Can you see what I'm seeing? Yeah, let's go out to the 4-hour time frame. Can you see? When you see a strategy or the market respecting an area in the higher time frame, It is very, very highly correct. There's a guy I know, he trades he's like a swing trader. He does weekly to monthly trades, and I understand where he's coming from, because if you see a support and resistance, or as people call it, the fair value gap, or which I try to use the smart money concept, whatever, on a daily time frame, the accuracy is like almost 90%. So this is what's gonna happen. Yeah, so I have two biases here. It's either the market will come to this area of resistance and I sell again, and if, let's say, the market proves me wrong and it goes up clean, I'm just gonna wait for a retest on this area of resistance, because once it breaks, don't forget, once a resistance is broken, it becomes support. Once a support is broken, it becomes resistance. So once it breaks the resistance, like the roof becomes a support. Because like now, if I break through this roof, I'm now starting on the roof, right? So I'm looking at the market to go two ways. Because bro, like when last week when I was like, oh my god, like what was I doing? They were literally one, two, three, four, five, six six. And I remember what I told you about this place, right? If you go to the 15 minutes time frame, more than six opportunities in the market. Like, sometimes we are the cause of our own problems, to be honest with you. So let me go out to the 1 hour. So now I'm gonna enter my analysis for the week. I've already said it, I just have to draw it for you. Literally, I said now I don't clean my past history, because the past helps me predict the future. And as I said, you always have to look to the left to be right. So like, look to the left, to the right. You get what I mean? So first, go to the weekly. You know the drill. This is what my mentor taught me. I don't use his strategy anymore, but this, I don't know why I cannot live without doing this right now. Honestly speaking, I cannot do without it at the moment. So I'm going to, let me pull out you real quick. What is this? Okay, nope. We're gonna learn today together. Nope. Horizontal line. Nope. Horizontal array. Nope. Okay. I understand now. I understand. Clean, clean, clean. Let's go back to trend lines. Yeah, so that's where the market was. We are entering to the 24th, right? Yeah, it's the 27th. Yeah, Monday next week. Yeah, so that's what we do. I'm trying to get the highest of last week, so that I know where we are anticipating the market to be. Gotta change colors. I think soon I have to create my own colors, because I am legit running out of colors to differentiate what I want to do. Yeah, so just trusting God this week for like big things. Like before, I couldn't imagine making $500 from trading, but because I've done it two times, not three times, two times, yeah, and I've made like 100, 200. Like, it's very possible that this week, if the market moves in the right direction, if I'm ready, I could catch something real nice, guys. Like real nice, like really nice. Hold on, there was no week. Literally, there was no week. Hold on. Hold on. Let me delete this real quick, because nigga don't play with me. Okay. Okay. We are good. We are good. Just want to make sure that I was on the right track. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. yapped a lot. The food I got from Uber Eats is so annoying. It was not good at all, guys. I hate bad food, so I guess that's why I'm complaining a lot. So yeah. So we are in. This was Sunday the 19th. Still. Yeah, why not? I'll just put another one here. Go for a vertical line. Why not? Honestly, why not? So we are highly happy and anticipating this week. So this was the highest of like if it breaks here, like this is the plan, right? If it goes here, boom, retest here. Like I don't even need a retest. Like usually once it breaks, I just enter. Like I'm just trying to be a more reasonable human being at this point. Like here, like this was a good retest, right? But on a 4-hour time frame, I want to see if it still shows that retesting. On a 4, can you see this? Yeah, there was a retest, so you have to break it down. So that's what I'm looking at. So, or my other analysis is, and I'm not doing fear of FOMO, I'm waiting. If it goes here, it touches here, it comes down. Yeah, so you touch there, I am selling. So that's the two biases. Then now if the market wants to completely ignore everything and go down, I'm going to wait for it to break the lowest of low of last week. And if it does that, then we are going for a sell. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me see what we're looking at. We're working with. Hold on. Yep. Oh, there is potential. I can go to this area of support here. All right. We're looking good. Hold on. I'm gonna pray for you all before we go. God has been extremely faithful, guys. Like I can't explain it. I like people. There's a language people use that is not so good, but I don't know how to say. Like God has been pretty nice. Like couple of weeks and favors, good news. Like, and I think another reason why I did not even work because I got some good news, and you have to be careful, right? Because sometimes, even the devil, right, can bring you good news to slow you down in the sense that you're working hard towards a goal, then you get like a really good news, like let's say now you're trying to live a 9 to 5, like what I'm trying to do, and then you get maybe a bonus or a promotion, and don't forget that is just to take you to the next level to help you with extra things, but don't forget your goal, because most people say they want to be wealthy or want to be rich, but once they're satisfied or comfortable, they kind of slack. And I was doing that this past 2 weeks. That's why I did not trade so hard. I was like, I got money, a bit of money in the bank, just a little bit, not so much, and I was like, oh, I can chill now. But nah, don't forget the reason why you started. So we're looking at 2 things. This is the 4-hour. This week I'm more comfortable running the 1 hour, so can guys clear area of resistance here. So I'm waiting for the market hits here. So what I'm going to do is, so I don't miss my opportunity, I'm going to now move this here. Boom. What will soon be done. I don't know how long this video is. Yeah, okay, gonna make you big, gonna squeeze you a bit. Yeah, okay. I want to see. So what am I looking for? I'm also looking for this setup. I'll be really happy if I also get this setup, because I want to test it again. And I personally, I don't back test, I forward test, in the sense that how will I put it? I would. Oh, the market is moving already. Can you guys see that? There's volume coming in. So I would rather have a strategy than watch it play out, miss the money, because what I learned from trading is that time and chance happen. It will happen again. So because I have back tested before and then I wasn't so mature. So what I was doing is sometimes I will force. Your mind is so powerful, guys. Like I was trying to even force myself to see something that was not even there. That was bogus of me. crazy. So yeah, yeah, that's what we're looking at. So the market is moving already. I'm not doing no FOMO. I'm not getting scared. Like, and then this is a good area of support because this is like two. Let's even add this third one, area of support. Market doesn't want to break this for some reason. 1, 2, 3. So if it breaks this, I'm still gonna wait. It has to completely break. I'm taking a sell. If it goes here, so we're taking the risk here. If it reaches here, we'll see how it goes. So touch is so good. I'll see how I feel about it. So I was trying to put my I was trying to put some things in place. I like the candles a bit bigger. Yeah. So this is my area of interest. Hold on. Yeah, so let me just move this here. Yeah. So if it goes here, it's gonna come back here. So we're looking, in case I'm not even awake, I'm gonna check it out, right? I don't know if I should put a pending order or an alert. Something is telling me to put an alert. So alert for, we're looking at 1.66318. 1.66318. Just put a nope. 1.66318. 1.66318. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Does that not look a bit off to you? That looks off to me though. Not gonna lie. Oh, hold on. This markets and their manipulation. Hold on. I want to make sure. I'm trying to make sure, my guy. Oh, another one. Nothing I'm on noticing. Like I did an analysis here. Did I delete something? I think I did delete something. That was my mistake. Yeah, I did delete something. Same thing. Can you see that? Make that green. It broke. Retest went up. It broke because the market ended. I'm not no FOMO, guys. Wait to see what's gonna happen. Is that covered? Okay. Yeah, okay. I am correct. Okay. So that is the pending order. If it reaches that area, then we're selling, of course. TP is gonna be where's my TP? I'm gonna be comfortable around here, honestly. That will be 65647. So we're looking at 65600 psychological level. Do not forget psychological level. 65600. So that's what we're looking for, TP. Then stop loss, as I said, guys, have a very healthy stop loss. So we should, yeah, come on, baby, gotta give daddy some space. Hold on, this is just, hold on, let me pull this back. Yeah, it's easier that way. Okay, yeah, so let's go and look at our rules. Don't forget your rules. So we have $65 here. So let's use this. Risking 30%. So we're looking for 0.09 lot size. Pips 20. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That is not a bad one at all. This, let it buy. Let it freaking buy. I don't even want to say anything. Yeah, so that's my stop loss. 0.09. That is a lot though. I didn't know that was that much. Hold on. Gotta risk what you're comfortable with. use this profit is 8. I think, yeah, just depending on the pair you're using. So I am going to go for, what are we comfortable with? We're comfortable with, nice, too measly, 10. Yeah, we can most definitely do 10. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm really thinking the market wants to shoot up and bust the sky because it's a new week. But if we are correct, so what is our risk to reward ratio? We're going short on this one, so don't forget, give the market room to mess up. Okay. Risk is 1.32. Stop loss is 0. This. Yeah. If it breaks this, then nigga, we up. We up. So yeah, let's put a selling limit there to make sure that we're good. And then yeah. So I'll keep you guys posted. I don't know if I will do weekly, like during the day, or I'll just come back next week and show you guys what we saw. So that's my first move. I just put my pet in order. As I said, we're trying to go for 600, 500 this week. So let's see how it goes from $65. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope this was not so long. I did enjoy it. It was very nice. Have a good day. Like, share, subscribe. I said I'm going to pray for. I'm just like, Father, we thank you for the ability to trade. Thank you for this pair and also the pairs you guys are using. I pray that God favors us, shows us things that people are not even seeing. The Bible says the steps of a good man are ordered by God. May God order our steps this week, and may we give him all the glory in the name of Jesus. The Bible says you hear a voice, and this is the way. I pray that we all hear God clearly in the trades and be able to find the right one. So in the name of Jesus, amen. So do your analysis. Don't forget, do not porn. Bible says I don't I don't paraphrase. How I walk like I don't pray, and I pray like I don't work. So put in the work, commit to God, and see you at the bank. Right? All right. Ciao. Bye bye.